course, I never had this on the Escalade because the sensors, the tires, the wheels were too big for the sensors. They couldn't connect them. And I think I like that better. I'd like to disconnect these because it bugs me.
Yeah. Oh, well, it's the morning now. It's about 8:30. Me and Grandma are already out and about, just living life.
Yeah.
We're just hanging out. And exactly 1 week from now, we'll be in about New Mexico. And Mexico that's new.
We'll be on our way to Texas about this time next week.
Yep. So that's gonna be great. And Minecraft is supposed to update today, and I don't know why it hasn't, but me and Reese tried to stay up and it didn't.
Minecraft?
Yeah, and it didn't update, so.
It updates automatically?
It should, but it didn't, so.
Huh.
So we were gonna wait for the update, but we didn't because it was taking too long. So, I don't know. So we're just hanging out.
We're going to the tire store. We're
Yep.
not just hanging out. We got things to do
Yeah.
to get ready for our trip.
Yes. We've got a lot of things on our lists. Oh, man. So, hypothetically, right, if I were to take the hinges off of your fridge door, unscrew them, you know, what, and then you went to open it and the door fell off and then everything fell out, how would you react?
I'd strangle you.
Oh, but wouldn't that be a funny prank?
No, it would not be funny.
Oh.
What you think is funny and other people think is funny is two different things because you are weird.
So what would you,
No,
well,
don't even go there, hypothetically or otherwise.
would you rather,
It's happening. If it does, you'll be dead meat.
would you rather me unscrew the fridge or the freezer?
I would rather you not do either.
Oh.
How's that?
Well, I know, but it's a funny video.
No, it's not a funny video.
Final diagnosis is there was a nail in the rear tire. And that's why it was deflating so badly. Well, it wasn't too bad, but it was deflating a good amount. So, we're gonna...
And not road trip worthy.
Yeah, not road trip worthy, so gonna have both of them, the back two replaced today, and then we'll go from there. The front two are okay, but after we get back we'll replace those two. But overall, not too bad. But we're going to go to my aunt's house now, and Grandma's gonna speak English, so.
Grandma only speaks English.
Well, I know, but you said you're learning Russian.
No, I'm not.
Oh.
In the car again. We've eaten breakfast now.
I don't film the breakfasts, but it was good. Grandma had 18 French toast sticks, and I had 87 pancakes. And I'm getting divorced on June 18th. Finally, after 87 years of waiting, me and Reese have been waiting all night for this. It's finally updating. The Nether update for Minecraft. God, well, it's not even going. Ah, gee. Bother. I've been waiting for this for too long. Thank the gods it's updating though, because we tried to wait all night, but if I'd have known it was going to take this long. It's a good thing I didn't stay up all night waiting for it, because it is 10:28 a.m. and it's just now updating for me, so. Grandma and I are eating at the Moose Hill Cantina.
Imitation crab. What?
We're eating at the Moose Hill Cantina.
Yes, we are. See?
Yep. Mexican food.
Mexican food.
I got myself an Ahadipis right here.
Okay, well, we were in a traffic jam, but now we're not. It's clearing up slowly.
But so
See how nice I am? I let this truck in.
yes,
To take advantage of the best
did let
incentives
the
in
truck in.
generation. Get more
Huh?
finance
You did let the truck in.
I did let the truck in.
People on I-25 are crazy, but no, that's not new.
50 acres at 2 locations.
We're gonna go to Walmart and then
and pre-owned.
go back to Grandma's house for a little bit, and then we got to put on the tires again.
Hand sanitizer. It's sticky.
Oh yeah, it's different, all right. Well, me and Grandma are home now again. We went to Walmart and got groceries. Not really groceries, just
Stuff.
foods and stuff. We got a bunch of stuff. Oh, Tubman's on the floor. Got stuff here. We got cups for the travel. We've got travel food. Part 1 of travel food anyway. We got cheese balls and water. And then, so we're just hanging out really. At 5 we're gonna go get those 2 back tires replaced, and then we'll be done for the day, I think. I'm supposed to remind you about a maintenance order.
Yeah. I'll
See?
go do it right now.
I'm smart. I actually remembered something. Okay, well,
Say I need keys.
yeah, I'd hope so. I really would. Well, we're on the way. We're
Again.
going on the again. We're going now to Discount again
Again.
for Grandma's APPT to get the tires changed.
APPT? Oh, appointment.
Uh-huh. Well, Grandma's pulling in her stall, so here we go. There she goes. Can hit the mirror. Oh my god. Ah, gee. There she goes. I filmed you with that mirror. I filmed you hit the mirror.
Well, that's not the first time I've hit it.
I know.
Probably won't be the last.
I know, I was gonna.
First time I hit it, I broke it.
Yeah. Well, at least it's not a chrome mirror. It's just a plastic one. But either way, I think that was kind of funny. But I just laugh at everything.
You think everything's funny.
I know, and that's what scares me. Ah,
It
gee.
should scare you.
There's a 19 Silverado right there. Okay.
Put that mirror in. I said I would. It's automatic.
Yeah. Well, in and out pretty quick, I'd say.
Yeah.
These people. How strange.
What's strange?
Oh, to be an American. Those kids that were in the, those kids that were in the bed of that truck.
I didn't see any kids in the bed of any truck.
Oh, the truck that turned on the other side.
So what?
I have to make it focus before I start the video. Because otherwise that's no good.
You're starting a video?
Yeah. Well, this is where the vlog ends because I have meetings in a little while, and and Grandma's going to Slough, but we've had a pretty eventful day, so I think it's all right. But I hope you guys enjoyed this. Just a small little vlog, nothing too entertaining, but really I'm just testing out this camera, and the real good vlogs are coming soon when we go to Texas, so that'll be enjoyable.
And now, folks, it's time to say goodnight. We sincerely appreciate your patronage and hope we've succeeded in bringing you an enjoyable evening of entertainment. Please drive home carefully and come back again soon. Good night.